offer there. It's a matter of just getting to his house and then you get. We'll meet at the spot, eh? Don't worry, we'll talk about it. Okay, don't worry, we'll talk about that one. Today we are looking at books of original entry. I think we had a feel of that discussion last week. Today we want to zoom into the issues more and more. Books of original entry. When we say books of original entry, what do we mean? Yes, any idea before we look at it? Yes, books of original entry. And what do we mean? Yes. Yes. Quickly. Yes. Yes, Senior. Thank you. Where we record the day-to-day activities of the entity, of the company, of the organization. Today, good commercial activities, activities that involve what? Money. Good. Particularly when it comes to the journals. Yes, any other? Quickly, any other? So what are the types of journals that we have? Yes. Thank you. Says what? At the end of today's lecture, we are going to take a quiz. We are going to take what? A quiz. So prepare yourself very well at the end of today's lecture. Senior Billy, don't give me time that you are supposed to close. No. Today, we are not going to close. So books of original entry, there are books of prime entry, also known as books of original entry. The initial record, where the initial records of business are kept and first recorded before being posted to what? To the general ledger. So all the business activities, business transactions, business events that involve what? Money, financial transactions are first recorded in the books of what? Original or first entry. So if a particular transaction or business activity is involving credit transaction, for example, credit. We have sold goods on credit to a particular individual. Where are we going to record this one? Sales what? Journal. Thank you. Sales journal. What about if the transaction is involving credit what? Purchases. Where are we going to record that one? Purchases what? Journals. Are we okay? What about general journal? Yes. What about general journal? Yes. Good. Any other business event or activity or business transaction that is not related or connected to sales and purchases, we'll record those ones in the general world. No distance. Are we okay? So you should know what a general journal is, sales journal is, purchases journal is, returns journal, and so on and so forth. Are we okay? Good. So we are saying that they serve as the primary, the principal source of information for the preparation of financial statement, and ensure that transactions are recorded in a systematic and organized manner. He goes on to say that, let's move on, Senior. That these are the main types of what? Books of prime entry. Number one, yes. So those online, can you hear us? So refer to a slide entitled Tutorial Questions on Books of Prime Entry. That's what we are discussing. So refer to that one now so that you can follow us. Are you with us? Yes. Good. So these are the main types. We have the sales journal, purchases journal, sales returns journal, purchases return journal. Good. All this we should know. These are theory. We'll look at the practicals as we move on. Yes, senior, move on. These are the time we discussed this last week, so we should know. Cash book is also a book of prime entry. General journal, petty cash. You know the difference between cash book and petty cash? Hello? Is there anybody here who is hearing petty cash for the first time? Hello? We'll look at it, don't worry, relax, we'll look at it. Then bank book and bank records and all that. Yeah. These are the primary journals, primary books of what? Original entry. How many are there? See, now go back. How many are there? 1, sales journal. 2, purchases journal. 3, sales returns journal. 4, purchases return journal. Move on. Cash book, general journal, petty cash book, bank book. How many are there? 8. It will come in the exams. So learn it and know it. Good. But we'll yet discuss a few of them. So we are going to take a question. Last week we had a very lengthy discussion on this. Today we are going to take a practical question. Very simple one. Very, very simple one. But we are all not what? Accountants. Are we okay? Good. So we are going to take a question to just get a deeper, broader, and a wider meaning of what the sales journal is, purchases journal, and the rest. Are we okay? Now, the question says that you are the accountant for Adom Enterprise. Adom Enterprise. A small trading what? Company in Ghana. Buying and what? Selling. Commercial entity, commercial organization. During the month of June, the company engaged in several transactions involving sales and purchases. Sales and purchases. Now, your task is to record these transactions in the sales journal and purchases journal, and then post them to the totals of what? The general ledger. General ledger. So we are saying that we transfer or we post the accounts from the journal or the transactions from the journal straight to what? To the ledgers. The ledgers is where we open what? Accounts. Are we okay? The journals are books of original entry. Then the ledgers are books of what? Last entry. Are we okay? So we'll come and look at them as we move on. Senior, let's look at it. These are the transactions for the month of what? June. What does it say? On the 1st of June, we sold goods on credit to Kwame Traders, invoice so much is the invoice number. Then on the 3rd of June, we purchased goods on credit from EBC what? Suppliers. Invoice this. 5th, sold goods on credit to Ama Stores. Then on the 8th, purchased inventory on credit from this. Then on the 10th, we again sold goods on credit to Nana Enterprise. Then move on, senior. Purchased goods on credit from Comfort Supplies. Invoice this. Can we put it in a slide mode or? Come again. If it is on a slide, all right, then leave it. That's fine. Then so goes on credit to Etia Ventures. This purchase goods on credit from Greenfield and so on. Required. What is the requirement? What is the requirement? It says that record these transactions in the sales journal and what? Purchases journal. Then calculate the totals of each of the journal. And then you post the totals to what? The general ledger what? Accounts for sales and what? Purchases. Are we okay? Hello, are we together? Good. Then I'll go back so that we'll look at it. Good. These are the transactions for the month of June. Sold goods on credit to Kwame Traders. This is the invoice number, and this is the amount. Our duty, our responsibility as accountants is to prepare sales journal. How do we do it? Or how do accountants do it? How do accountants do that? Sales what? Journal. Now, we can just pick the items here. What is here? June 1st. It talks about what? The date. Are we okay? So we'll be looking at what? The date, number one. Number two, we'll be looking at the person or the customer or the client. Are we okay? Good. Number three, we'll look at what? The invoice what? Number. Number four, we'll look at what? The amount. Are we okay? So how many columns are we going to create here? How many? 4. So simply put, you have what? Your sales. Hey, I think I should use black. Where is the box? Master, open for me. This man is the best IT in the whole country. Best IT. Director of IT. Oh, you don't know. When it comes to IT, no challenger. Nobody can challenge you. So we have sales what? Sales what? Is it journal or ledger? Journal. Good. Journal. How many columns do we have? Hey, sorry. So we have number 1, we have the date. Number 2, description. What is description? Who can tell me? It's very wonderful. Yes, what is description? Thank you. The kind of transaction, description, or details, or particulars. Are we okay? So what kind of transaction is this? Sales, credit sales. So we thank God for that. So this one is description. Good. Yes. Any other? Good. Invoice number. Yes. Any other? Thank you. Amount. Any other? Amount in dollars, Good. Yes. Any other? Okay. The customer. But let's bring the customer before the amount. So amount should be the last one. Good. So you see that it's very easy. Very, very easy. Quickly. Any other? No. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Relax. When we are done and you are confused, then you ask. Are you okay? Thank you. I like you, Yeah. You like asking questions. You have passed, yes. All right. The first one. It says what? The date is what? So 1st of June. Description is sales, simply put. Sales. Are you okay? Good. What's the invoice number? 101. Thank you. What's the name of the client, customer? Kwame. Kwame Traders, eh? What's the amount? 5,000. Isn't that very easy? It's very, very easy. So even if you don't have background in accounting, this one, you should be able to get it. It's very easy. Number two, it's a purchase of goods. Are you going to record it here? Why? This class is the best class I've ever. Oh, true. Yes. You have all passed. Please don't fear exams. As for our exams, in fact, particularly some of us, our exams, they are friendly. They're friendly exams. And don't go and be reading non-sila materials. Just read what we have been doing. All the slides, just read. Because the questions will just come from the slides. Are you okay? And you'll be fine. So that everybody will be fine. For me, the most important thing that understand the issues. What accountants do. So that when you meet accountants, you can have a very wonderful, rewarding conversation with them. You will not be saying something and then you are confused. No. Are we okay? Good. Number two, quickly, purchase. Then some goods, will it come here? Okay. Now, that is on the 5th of June. Good. Again, it is what? Sales. What's the invoice number? 102. What's the name of the client? Is it suppliers or stores? Whether stores or suppliers. Stores. How much is it? The next one. So let's pick all the transactions relating and connecting to what? Sales. Thank you. On the 10th of June. Good. Sales. What's the name of the customer? Come again. Good. Nana. Enter. How much is it? 2,500. Are you okay? Good. The next one. Next slide. 20th what? June. How much is this? The invoice number is this. Am I right? What's the name of the client? $6,000. Any other? We are done. You see, that's very easy. Very, very easy. Good. Yes. Quickly. So what's the total? Come again. $16,500. That's all. You are done. You have prepared what? Sales journal. So at times, if the accountant is bluffing himself, he say, accountant, you think you are the one who knows accounting? Okay. Me too, I can do it. So it's very easy. Good. So the total sales for the period is 16,500. Total what? Sales. Do we all get it? Total sales. So what normally happens is that in the sales ledger, we say that sales ledger is a book that contains what? The account. The account, ledger or not journal. Sales ledger is just a book that contains the account of all our credit what? sales. Are we okay? The account. So our customers. So if we go into our sales ledger, in the sales ledger, we're going to have what? Number one, Kwame. Kwame's name appearing in what? In our sales what? Ledger. Ledger. So we open the account like this, Kwame. We have debit here, accountant say debit here, and what? Credit here. The basic principle is debit the receiver, and that is very fundamental, basic. Good. Don't know anything about accounting. Take this one from this class. It's a basic accounting rule. Debit what? And credit. Good. So in this case, we are selling goods to who? Kwame. So we debit what? Kwame is receiving from us in the name of sales. How much is it? 5,000. So that's what will happen. Then we open another account. So when you pick the ledger, you will see all the accounts of our what? Credit customers. Are you okay? So double entry principle. Here we debit this. In the general, we call it general ledger. General ledger is also a book that contains accounts. All other accounts that are not related to purchases, credit purchases, and credit what? Sales. So in this case, any other account. In this case, in accounting, we say double what? Entry. If we debit this account, what will be the corresponding credit entry? Who can tell me? Where are the accountants here? Let me see your face. Is one of them. You are hiding. I know you. What is the corresponding credit entry? Quickly. Yes, it will come in the exam. So in the general ledger, we have what we call sales account. Sales account is in the general ledger. General ledger is also a book. So the corresponding credit entry will be in the sales account. We have what? Kwame. And how much is it? 5,000. So the next one, if we open Ama's account, and we debit Ama with sales of how much? 3,000. Again, we come to the general ledger. And then we credit what? The sales account. Ama here with what? 3,000. So it goes on and on and on like that. The next one is what? Nana. We debit Nana because Nana is receiving from us how much? 2,500. Then in the sales ledger, sales account is credited with how much? Is Nana how much? 2,500. Then the last one, sales ledger. This is general ledger, sales ledger. The account, the book that contains the account of all our credit what? Customers. So we open another account for Efia. Sales of how much? 6,000. Then we come to the general ledger. Sales. Here we have what? Efia. How much? 6,000. Hey, Atiman, you know everything. Good. So when you add all, you should have this 16,500. Accounting is very easy. Very, very easy. Are we okay? So this is all about sales journal. The extension is where you open account, the individual accounts of all our credit customers in the sales what? Ledger. In the sales ledger. So then, anytime there is a payment, let's assume that, oh, we have received 3,000 Ghana cedis from Kwame. In respect of the Sales. What do we do? Thank you. We credit what? Kwame has given to us. Please, are we okay? We credit Kwame. If it's by check, we say what? Bank. How much? 3,000. Then in our bank account, what do we do? We debit. It's very easy. Huh? So this course, the moment you pass this course, you will also become a chartered accountant. Yes. Are you from America? You are speaking like someone who just landed. I like that. You talk. To the credit, which of the credits? Kwame, Well, Kwame has paid us by check. Good. So we credit. Oh, Kwame, you are paid. The transaction is this: debit the receiver, the rule, debit the receiver, credit the. So at the very basic level, Kwame is now given to us. So we credit what? Kwame's account and debit what? Our account. That is the bank account. It's debited. Our account book is debited in the name of what? Bank. It's just I'm just assuming. Are you okay? No, we didn't pick from it, just an assumed figure. Are we okay? Good. So we are saying that in the sales ledger or in the ledger account or in the ledger, we have these accounts here. Anytime there are payments from these our customers, we credit the account and then what? Or returns. If they are return goods, we credit what? The accounts. And then we debit what? The returns, or we debit bank if they have made payment to us. It's very easy. It's very easy. It's very easy. So that's about that. Quickly. Yes. Where's the that's done. Now we are looking at what? Purchases. So in the general ledger, you have your sales, and then the total will be sent there to be 16. Good. Now let's look at the purchases quickly. Quickly. So here we still have the date. Here is what? Is what? How do the Americans call this one? Yes, American girl. They call it what? Purchases. Purchases. Oh, American girl. Is it not purchases? Yes, purchases. Purchases what? Jonah. Good. So this is description. Good. All right. Number one, when it comes to the purchases, fast. Number one, senior, let's go back. Good. Thank you. You are there. Do we pay you for these things? Are you paid for that? Not paid. Let me talk to my professor. Good. What? Good. Thank you. Purchases, say purchases. The invoice is what? 201. The customer is, come again. Good. A, B, C, and then the amount is 1,200. You see that it's very easy. Number two, any transaction relating to purchases? 8th of June. Again, here is purchases. 20 XYZ, amount 4,500. Next. Next slide, senior. 15th of June, purchases 203. Comfort. How much is it? Come again. 2,800. Yes, any other? Or is that all? 20. Purchases. 20. 6. Is that all? So let's add 9,000. So it's the same thing. Yeah. Thank you. We open the book that contains the account of all our credit suppliers. Those who supply goes to our own credit. Are you okay? On credit. So we open the accounts. So this one is purchases ledger. So in the purchases ledger, we're going to have A, B, C. This time around, they are supplying, they are giving to us. Are you okay? They are giving to us. So what do? We credit the account. Hello, are we together? We credit the account. So in the name of what? Purchases. How much is it here? 1,200. Then if we come to the general ledger. In the general ledger, we have an account called purchases account. So then, what are we going to have? The first person there is what? A, B, C. Are we okay? A, B, C. How much is it? 1,200. Again, in the purchases ledger, we have X, Y, Z. So we have purchases. How much is it? 4,500. You come to the general ledger where we have purchases account. The ledger is just a book. Ladies and gentlemen, the ledger is just a book. And in the book, we have accounts. Hello, are you with me? It's just a book like my boss owns. Just a book like this. And in the book, you now open what? The account. So this one is general ledger, a book. This one is what? Purchases what? It's also a book, purchases ledger. Are you okay? This one contains the account. We open the account of the individual suppliers. Those who supply to us on credit, we open the account. And this book is exclusively for them. So the moment we take this book, purchases what? Ledger. We know that this is the book that contains all the account of our, suppliers. Are we getting the whole argument? This one is what? General ledger. Next week, I'll be visiting some of you, and I'm going to interact with your accountants. Like you are number one. Number one, I like your hair. Who is A? So I shouldn't even admire people. It's forbidden. Thank you. Because somebody said it. Yes. A student reported a lecturer for admiring him. Yes, and the VC called the lecturer. No, it was the principal. It was in one campus at that time. The principal called the lecturer and said, lecturer, these students reported you that you have been making advances. And said, no, me, no advance. I said, oh, you have your hair is light. So that's simply that one is advanced. And this lady reported. So the principal says that Don't make specific, what do you call, comments about what? Ladies, particular ladies in the class or wherever you see them. The best you can do, if you still want to admire the person, is to say, oh, madam, you have dressed well. Don't see your hair is nice, your dress is nice, or your outfit is nice, or you are beautiful. No. Otherwise, you know, the sexual harassment code or ethics, it will grab you. It is stated clearly, it was there, that the lecturer said you got to know about this. They stated clearly that do not tell a lady that, oh, your hair is nice, or your dress is nice, or your this one is nice. If the person's hair or whatever is nice, just tell, oh, madam, you have dressed well. It might come with a little bit of massage. Everybody say massage. Do you want massaging or is it that students like dito things? So if he say you are the chief accountant of Aquaba Enterprise, and the next one I say you are the chief accountant of MBA Enterprise, you don't like this one. This one is not massaging, and you don't like this type of massaging. You still want to see Aquaba Enterprise. You will see it. All right, let's look at it. This one, you are the chief accountant of Aquaba Enterprise, a mid-sized trading company in Ghana. During the month of June, the company engaged in numerous transactions involving both sales and purchases. In addition to the basic transaction, the company also dealt with discount, returns, and what? Freight charges. Your task is to accurately record these transactions and events in the sales journal and purchases journal. You are supposed to account for any applicable discount, assuming that the customers will take advantage of the discount available, returns and freight charges and so on. Then post the totals to what? The general ledger. It's also very easy. Move on, senior. Good. These are the transactions. Again, June 1st, sold goods on credit to Kwame Traders. Invoice number this for 10,000. We have introduced another thing here. What is that? What is that? Good. We have introduced some terms and conditions. That is what? Discount. We say 2/10 and n/30. What does it mean? Accountants, I will not want to bother or worry my friends who are HRs, IT, and the rest. But this one, I will bother the accountant. I'll worry them. Yes, accountant number one.
So what I mean is that the terms is saying that
Mhm.
the customer, because he's buying on credit,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so you get 2% when you pay within 10 days.
Oh,
The actual number of days.
Good, good. And then the next one, the 30, the N30.
That's the duration of the article.
Okay. In fact, you have done well. I'll give you 70. You have passed. What's your ID? It says what? The terms. So the moment they write this one, 2/10, it means that when you are able to pay within what? 10 days, you enjoy a discount of what? 2%. Hello? Hello? Are we learning something new or is old news? The moment they write N by what? 30. What does it mean? What does it mean? No discount. So simply put, I like that. Simply put is what? No discount. You just write, simply put. So if you don't take advantage of it, then you are going to pay the whole amount. Are we okay? The whole amount. But here we are told that the customers have taken advantage of what? The discount. So they make payment within what? Within what? In order to enjoy good 2% discount. How does it work? How do accountants account for these things in their books as far as preparation of what? The journal, sales journal and purchases journal are concerned. So in the exams, you will be examined on these things. The first one is just for us to warm ourselves up. Are we okay? You like that one? Oh, this is MBO. When it goes out there for moderation, you'll be looking at it. Is it of a standard for MBA class? That's how they will be asking. These are the questions we'll be asking. If it's not of standard, then they drop it. The first question they want to ask is, who is the lecturer for this course? We want to have an interaction with him. And I don't want to be called by the external moderators. So please, just go through these things and you'll be fine. Are we okay? There'll be some massaging. It is not a kind of massaging that will lead you to your grace. Are we okay? So relax. Are we okay? Don't worry, relax. We'll do it. And senior, relax. Take it. I'm saying that at the end of today's lecture, we are going to take a quiz. Are we okay? So please listen to all the issues that we are, and those online too. I didn't tell you to be online. Even though your reason might be genuine. So you have to come with a very strong reason why we should, or you should be exempted from this quiz. Well, under normal circumstances, it is compulsory by force for us to be here face to face for the first 6 weeks. Yes, face to face for the first 6 weeks. So if you cannot come, give us tangible reason. Found ground. They can write a quiz and they should mark it. We are going to mark it. So you give us a reason why you are not here. If it's very tangible, we will accept it and everybody will be fine. So, master, don't give me time. Tell me that, oh, our time is up. No. Don't tell me that you are tired. All right, quickly. So what are the issues here? The date, details, customer, invoice number, terms, and so on. Are we okay? Hello, are we okay? So here, number one, we are going to look at what? We say the sales journal. Good. The sales journal. Then number one is the date, the particulars, or the details. The next one is what? Invoice number. The next one is what? Here is the supplier. The next one is what? Amount. Next one is terms. What again? Terms. Okay, discount. Good. I like that. The next one is, if we are having discount, this gross, then we should have a total or net. Are we okay? Net amount. Good. So basically, these are the terms, Good. Let's do fast. Good, good. Quickly. So good. Sorry, hey, I thought we were doing this is customers. This is for sales, Is the purchases that will have what? The suppliers. Yes. Relax, 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 relax. My dear, relax.
When you see the terms,
so it depends upon what is here. So the moment you see these terms, there should be a column for what? The terms. Are we okay? Good. Yes. So customers, sorry. The date, first one, quickly. First what? June. We have what? Sales. The invoice number is what? 301. What's the name of the client? Kwame. Kwame. The amount is what? Come again. 10,000. What are the terms? Number one is what? 2 over what? And then n over what? That's how you just put it. So here, if they are taking advantage of the discount, 2% of this is what? 2% of this is, thank you, you are there. 200. Are we okay? So if we are giving them a discount of what? 200. At the end of the day, how much will they be paying? That's all. You are there. 9,800. And you see that it's very easy. And if you do this thing for me in the exam, the moment I see it, my spirit will just be jumping. I'll close my eyes and just be marking. Because the spirit inside me is what? Is happy. Make my spirit happy, and I will also make you what? Happy. Because happiness depends upon happiness. Are you okay? Yes. Happiness depends upon what? Happiness. So if you make me happy, me too, I'll make you happy. Number 2 is what? Quickly. Hello, are we together? Spirit of what? Again, here is what? Sales. 30. The name of the client. Thank you. Amount. 5,000. And then times 1 over 15 and 45. Good. So they are taking advantage. So what will be here? Hey. Relax. 1% of what? Is what? Thank you. You know everything. So yes, my dear. Come again. No, so far they are taking advantage of this. The rest is meaningless. It is when you don't pay within the tender, then you pay everything. Good. So this is what the discount is what? At the end of the day, how much will they be paying? Thank you. You are there. 4,950. Mr. Goma, my dear, why are we shaking your head? All right. How do we get the 50? 1% over what? Times what? Do it and let's see. My wonderful American girl is asking, why is it no 1 over what? Who can you understand? Thank you, American girl. Yes. Come again. The first one. Yes. This one, 2% of what? And so 2 over what? 100 times what? Which is how much? Is, oh, are we there? Are we together? Mama, my dear, are you fine? Any confusion, any contention, any controversy, it's not 20%, it's 2. It's 0.02, not 0.2. Hello? No. It's 0.02. It's 2%, not 20%. Hello? Let's get it to this one. I am promising you this question. I'm not saying it's like, don't say that. I said there will be massaging, but it will land you in your grave, but rather it will land you in a comfortable zone. Thank you. So you'll be in a comfortable lead. Everybody will be in a comfortable lead. Are you okay? Any contention, any controversy, any confusion about this thing? We are moving forward. I like that. Yes, my dear. We are saying that if you are able to pay within the first 10 days, you enjoy what? 2% discount. And we are told that they are taking advantage of what? The discount. Which means that, hello? Quickly, this is what they are saying. And this is how it works. It's very easy. How? Oh, I beg you. Please, I beg you. What am I saying? It is not, I get you. You are their spokesperson. You understand them well. For him, he understands very well. So it is not 2 over 10. We are saying that you enjoy 2% discount. The word is what? Saying. The first, what do you call it? Figure there is about percent. So, Master, thank you. So we are saying, how do you write percent these days? Is the old way, eh? So this is 2. Then the n is what? Number of what? Days. Number of what? Days. The 10 is also number of days. The 10 number of, if you're able to pay within 10 days, you enjoy 2% what? Discount. 2% discount. Hello, Master, thank you. You are good. You are the best. You the A++. So that is it. It is 2%, 1%, 3%. All the figures here, first, they are all in percentages. Let me shout it again. They are all in percentages. Again, I say unto you, they are all in percentages. Why am I shouting like this? Senior, tell them, because this one, whether you like it or yes, it will come to yes. Come again. Whether the figures will change or not. All I'm saying is that at the end of the day, we will all land in a comfortable zone. You get the point? Good. I want to talk about this, your headgear, but I'm afraid. But look at this, yes. All right. Good. The next one, quickly. This one, they should be able to do that one for me. Fast. Yes, next one. Please, fast. All right, goods return. Which date is that? Oh, fast lah. On what? On the 6th of June. Particulars is what? Sales what? Returns. Sales returns. And it's connecting to which one? Which of the 301 by Kwame? The amount is what? This one, you put it in what? Bracket. This one, you put it in bracket. Why? Because who can bail me out? I'm afraid of that question. But I know there's somebody here. My TA is here. So far my TA is here, I fear no question. TA, he said, why is it in brackets? I fear not your question because, yes, honorable, Okay. Yes, so you are returning. So at the end of the day, it reduces what? Their indebtedness. Who asked the question? Yes, follow. The amount of indebtedness will also come down. No. You don't affect the discount, give it to him. No. The goods are returned, 1, because maybe they might be faulty. Number 2, might be damaged along the line, or might not be of the correct specification and all that. You have given him the discount already. Please don't touch the discount. If you touch the discount, you have touched his heart. All right. So this one, no discount. This one is what? 1,000. But it must also be telling us that the indebtedness of our clients will come down. Next one, senior. Fast. Today we are closing at 6 p.m. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, senior. Perfectly. This is sales journal.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, returns is also part of it. Yes. Yes, we are recording because we want to make life simple for ourselves. We want to make life easy for ourselves. Senior, are you okay? So you can equally do it. There's no problem about it. No, there's no need for you to open returns again. Are you okay? You have to make life easy for all of us here. If we are doing proper accounting, this one won't do it here. But there's no problem doing it here. Are you okay? Nah, I don't want to trouble my babies here. No, we are babies in accounting. Hello. No, we are babies in accounting. There are people who are doing HR, finance, IT, procurement. These are all babies in accounting. Where are the babies? Raise your hands. You also, you too, you are a baby. So in order to make life easy for the babies, hello, please do
Hello,
it
sir.
like this for me. If you do proper accounting, that one we can open, what do you call it? Sales returns journal. Are you okay? But there's no problem at all. Yes, honorable. On the 10th, which one? Somebody is having a question. Yes. Let's listen to the online people. Online talk.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Yes,
sir. Good
madam.
morning.
Beautiful morning. How is life?
It's hard, man. Sir, with regards to... Hello?
Yes, yes.
Hello. With regards to the return sales,
We are listening, senior.
the percent, and now discounts. Don't you think the seller is coming to cheat herself by paying 10,000 back? Hello, sir.
Yes.
Please, can
Do
you
you
get
understand
me?
what madam is saying? Come again, madam.
I mean, you patronize something 10,000, and I give you discounts, and at the end your total sales you made 9,500, and now you are coming to return the goods, and I'll be paying back 10,000. Don't you think it's a...
The goods you are returning is 1,000. The value, the worth of the returned item is what? 1,000. And you, the supplier, you can change the goods. If the goods are defective, if the goods are having a problem, oh, I am returning this particular goods. Why?
Yeah.
Because they are defective. They are having one problem or the other.
Yes.
So the supplier says, oh, don't worry. I have a very nice, wonderful one to replace it for you.
Okay.
Yes, my dear.
Hello, sir.
Are you an accountant?
Yes, please.
That language. You run a business. Thank you. So you run a business in situations, circumstances where someone buys a product from you and you have tried your best. You have done all that you can to retrieve the money and you cannot. Then in that case, that debt becomes what? Bad. Particularly in cases where the person is, thank you, the person is dead. Where the person is dead, that one, you can only time the date and the time that will be doing the funeral. But, oh, yes. Yeah, thank you. So the day they are doing the funeral, then you present your case there. That when this your man was alive, he was owing me so much. I need my money. Otherwise, it becomes what? Bad debt. Mm-hmm. So definitely the indebtedness will come down. There's nothing, you cannot replace it for the goods for the person. Yes, if there's more, but here we are not told about that. So we are just assuming that there's no place for replacement or there's nothing to replace. Therefore, it brings his what? indebtedness. So far as you have received the goods, then you become what? Obliged to reduce what? Yes, honorable. It's just that. Is it, when you are returning to go, there must be okay. No, this might be a peculiar issue. Netco. Where do you work? Oh, okay. That's good. You see me. I want to join you. Okay. You say what? Why? It's not of the right specification. They are going to be okay.
Imagine I've given them discount on the first place. Now they are returning some of it. Some of it. Will I take off the discount entirely? Or I'll let them go with some of the standard?
Your case is a special and unique case. It doesn't happen in the normal business distance. So that one, it will depend upon the arrangement between the two of you. Are you okay? Under normal circumstances, no rational business person will sell an item to you and you are bringing it back simply because you are saying what? You don't need it again. Yes. That's what I'm saying, that one is a unique case. Are you okay? So you have to dialogue, you have to have a conversation with them as to whether you still maintain your discount or you will not even collect the thing at all. Are you okay? It should be some kind of special arrangement between the two of you because it's a peculiar case. But generally, no. In a normal commercial transaction, no way. Again, I say no way. Yes, quickly. Hey, please. I will, after this, don't ask me any question again. You ask question after 6 p.m. All right. Final question. So if you have a question, just write it down. When we finish, then you ask. I'll allow you to ask because I don't want anybody to. Yes. Come again. The discount. The first one. Yes. And you don't enjoy, you don't enjoy. Unless maybe there's some a special arrangement, and there can be some other things that you will come and tell us the reason why you are not able to pay within what. And if it is tangible, we will. Who knows? We will just allow or accept that. You want to? Okay. You want to add? I like the word credit terms. I like that. Go on.
I'll give you 2%. 2% out of the total value of the water. So when you are able to pay within that, you enjoy that.
So you see that when it ends over any number, that particular number which is below the end, the duration of the contract. Within that period, you must pay. That's the
Maximum you should pay. I like that.
Over any out of 2%. Means that when you pay within the 30 days, you are entitled to enjoy 2%. Now, otherwise, you want to
Good.
So that's what we are studying from. Maybe it's okay, but when you are producing, the different times altogether.
Good, good. That is TA number 2. Everybody clap for him. Ah. A++. So that is it. So what it means here is that the 30 is the maximum that we can give to you to pay. Maximum that we can give to you. If you fail to pay within these 30 days, it will attract what? Interest, possibly. And those of you, those of you who have been taking quick loan, if you fail to pay within 30 days, then it will attract what? Interest. Good. So thank you, senior. Yes, the next one, please. Let's be fast. Let's be fast. 10th what? 10th June. Good. 10th June. Sales. How much? This is 30. The invoice number is 30. Nana. How much? 12,000. 4,000. And then what's the terms? 3/10. Good. Now we understand this one. Good. The discount will be 120. What will be the net amount? 3,880. Good. Fast. The next one. On the 12th. Sales returns. 30 what? 2. 500. Dash. 500. Yes, quickly. Next. Hello. Are we together? Please, fast. 18th. Is it 18th? So, 304. If you 12,000. 2/10. Come again. N/30. What will be the discount? What will be the discount? 240. 11,760. Thank you. Is that all? That's all, eh? Okay. All right, that's all. So then, come again. Confirmed? 28. You see why I don't like this thing? Master, you see my point? This is a very strong point. So having a wonderful lecture like this and you having this interruption. 28 what? 890. Tell them next time there will be no online. Everybody must come. When they're in the class, nobody will be disturbing you. Yes, is it confirmed? Add this and deduct this, add this, deduct that. 28,890. All right. So we are done with this. The next one is what? Can I clean it? Hey. Master, you go down. Let me see whether go down. Let me see if the solution is here. The solution is there. Let's see. Is that? It's correct. Master, let me clear it. Or you are copying. All right. Yes, the next one is what? Master, let's go back to the question. The next one is purchases journal. Good. Purchases journal is also a book that records all our daily credit purchases. Daily credit what? Purchases. So what are the issues here? Number one is the date. Number two is what? The particulars or the details. Number three is what? Invoice number. Suppliers. Amount. Is there a discount? What do we have? There are no terms, There are no terms. So, but then if you look at it, there are some of them that are some. Look at June 9. Paid freight charges. Good. 200 for inventory purchase from this invoice number, this. So we can create a column for freight charges. So that at the end we have a total amount that we incur. Now, please, fast. Senior, open one, this for me. The marker. Where is the box? Yes. Purchases. First one, date. Quick. You see what accountants do? Good. The first one is what? Third, Good. We have what? Purchases. What's the invoice number? 401. Name of the supplier? ABC. Amount. Come again. 2,000. Now, when you look at the question, go to where they've incurred the cost on that, on the 9th. This freight charges of how much? 2,000. Sorry, 200 for inventory purchase from what? Oh, this one is XYZ. Okay, what about, is there any, let's go down and see if there is any freight charges for ABC. Is there any freight charges for ABC? Good, 28th. Are you getting it? Good. So we'll add this one to it in order for us to get the total. Forget about the date here. This is at the end of the month that we are preparing the journal. Good. So we have freight charges of how much? 150. So if you add this to this, we are going to have what? 2150. Now, what happens here is this. This is how we go about preparing the journal. In opening the accounts, or open the So is it revenue or capital expenditure?
Revenue.
This is to inform you that revenue and capital expenditure will also what? Come in the exams. The next one, purchases, quick. Please, quick. Oh, are you with me or you are against me? Let's go back. Good. Any other? On the 8th. On the 8th of June, Purchases 40, SYZ, Any freight charge, how much? 200. So this will be 8,000. Again, in the account, if you are opening the account, you have only this and not that one. Good. The next one is what? The next, 15th what? 15th June. Purchases 403. Comfort. How much? 3,500. 3,500. Then next one. Hey, sorry. The next one is what? $20 what? Purchases 40. How much? Come again. 1,200. Yes, any other? That's all. So add. I hope my time is not up. Almost up, but not up. Okay. Yes. We are going to take the quiz now. This one a minute. No consideration. You must be prepared and ready at any time. Because you don't know the time Jesus will come. You know when Jesus is coming again? You are not sure. But we know the Bible says that he said he will come. But when he goes and prepare a place for us, he will come and take us home. Yes, but the Bible we believe. We believe that you are you a Christian? But is it in the Quran that Muhammad will come again? Oh, okay. Is there? Jesus will come again. Muhammad too will come again. It's in the Quran. It's in the Quran that Jesus will come. Hold on, relax. Is it in the Quran that Jesus will come? Is it in the Quran that Muhammad will come?
It's gone forever.
Oh, how? You mean it's even in the Quran that Jesus will come? It's in the Quran. Muhammad will not come in the Quran. No, yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Jesus. Mohammed has exhausted. Oh, okay. So what's the total here? So we all agree that Jesus, because Quran confirms it, Bible also confirms it. So Jesus there, he will come. Mohammed. All right, so let's add. 12 0 5. Are you sure? One 5 0. What about this? 1. So this is what will be captured in the sales, in the purchases. What? Is it 14700? 14700, right? Okay. So when you open your respective purchases ledger account, these are the accounts of the suppliers. So you open ABC account, you credit the account with what? 2,000, like that, all of like we did in the first place. All right. So quickly, please pick a sheet of paper. Oh, please, let's be fast. It's very friendly, wonderful, and nice exercise. Are you okay? I want to just use it so that just to examine. No. Online, they are this here. Yeah. Okay, my WhatsApp number is 0 online for the purpose of the online people. 0559. Hey, fast. 0559 117725. 0559 117725. Please, the question is on the board. Just provide the answer. Don't copy. Hello, I will project the question on the board. It's a multiple choice question. It's not true or false or feeling. It's a multiple choice question. So if you read and the answer is A, just put A there. I'll give you just 5 seconds. Hey, okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. So listen, Masa, listen. The question, if you know, you know. If you don't know, they can even give you 1 hour, 1 day. If you don't know, you don't know. But if you know, in the second, you get the answer. My dear, true or yes? Aha. So if you don't know, you don't know. You can even give you 1 year. You will just be there. So maximum 10 seconds and I'll move. My senior timekeeper, at this one, I'll use job there, but I'll pay you. You, when you finish, just give me a charge. Put a charge in my account and I'll settle you. I will settle you. So relax, Good. So let's move. Play. Are we ready? Write your this on top of it, Write your index number. That one. What again do you want? No problem. Leave it. I don't want to be influenced by name. Because if I see somebody's name like my wife's name, I'll be tempted to consider. All right. Good. Master. Question 1. Yes. It's just about all that we have been doing. Question 1. You move on. Move on. Oh, it's not coming on. Just give me the answer. No, you have to move. Come. Question 1. Question 1. It said, what is a book of prime entry? A, B, C, D. Provide the answer. 10 seconds. If it's A, just write A. Don't write everything. Just write A or whatever. If it's B, B, C, D, like that. No copying, no talking. If you talk, you go to heaven. Ten seconds. Up. Question 2. Which of the following is not a book of prime entry? Your time starts now. Is up. Thank you. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Next, the sales journal is used to record. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time up. 4. The purchases journal records. Your time starts now. Time up. Next question. Which document is usually the source for entries in the sales journal? Your time starts now. Good. Remember, if you don't know, you don't know. The cash book serve as both a book of prime entry and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My timekeeper say now. Question 7. Which class rep write the name of the talkatives? All right. Question 7. Which of the following transactions will be recorded in the petty cash book? I ask this question. Your time starts now. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Yes, I'm having a lecture now. Can you call back, please? Next question. Question 8. Please. The general journal is used for your time start now. Thank you. The next question. Okay, you go back for them. 5 seconds. They said they want to think. Then if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. My dear, you know, Bizu, I like that. So we talk about general journal. Aha. Next question. What is the main purpose of the purchases returns journal? You are there. Just put the answer. It is A, it is B. This is our timekeeper. Please don't challenge the timekeeper. Question 10. Which book of prime entry will you use to record an error correction? If you know the rest, there is one that will pop up that I'm not correct, I'm not correct, I'm not correct. Then you pick that one up. So just eliminate the options that are inconsistent with the stem, and you are there. Nobody should challenge. If you want more time, beg him. Nobody should challenge him. Please, nobody should challenge. It's not regulating the time. If you want more time, me, I don't have any say. You have to beg him. And he has the power to say yes or no. Are you the timekeeper? All right. Question what? The next one. Hey, who is on break? Oh, Master. The next question. Number 10. 11. Good. Number 11. Yes. It says what? Sales returns journal records. Yes. Number what? Number 12. Question 11. Question 12. The opening balance of a cash in hand is recorded in, is it A, is it B, or C, or D? Your time ends now. My boss, they still have more time, eh? Okay, question 13. Question 13. In which book of prime entry is a credit note recorded? Credit note. In this. So, you should know these things. The next one, or is not up. The next one. The document used to support entries in the purchases journal is I've talked about all these things. I will just say some. Next. Question what? What is recorded in what? A bank. What is recorded? Yes. You should know this thing. Yes. Next. If you know, you know lah. If you don't know, you don't know. Today be today. Next question. I'm going to have wonderful, wonderful answers. From you, I'll be deceived as to your knowledge in these areas. So it's good. It's good. For our quiz, we will not inform you that, oh, today we are going to have quiz. No, no, no. We are the following will be required. We are done. Then next one, 17. Petty cash book operates in which of the system? Is there a single entry system? Double entry, impress, or whatever? All right. Next. Which entry is made in the petty cash book when the petty cash fund is replaced? Is what? Replenish, sorry. Or replace. Replenish or replaced. Or refunded. So it can be replenished, replaced, refunded. We didn't talk about it. Every answer for this one is correct. I'm giving you a bonus. Every answer you say here is correct. So let's move on. I said every answer is correct. It's a bonus. Question 18. Every answer, it is because we didn't talk about it. So every answer is what? Correct. It's a bonus. But we'll get you. We'll tell you the correct answer. Are you okay? But at this stage, every answer is what? Correct. Only that there are some answers that are more correct than the rest. So we'll come and look at the more correct one. Are you okay? Good. So question 18 is bonus. Every answer. So you can decide to just choose A or B or whatever. So let's move on. Good. This one we talk about it. Hey, you won't go to heaven. The sales journal is posted to. The sales journal is posted to. I'm examining you one by one. And I'm going to record this. If you get 0, I'll give you 0. But I don't think anybody will get 0 anyway. It's just to tell you to wake up. It's a wake up call. Everybody say wake up call. Aha. So you assess yourself. Good. Question 20. It's only level 5. 25. Hey, who is saying A? If you say A, you get 0. All right. Which type of transaction is recorded in the purchases returns journal? You, the way you are writing the thing is like you have scored everything. My TA2, my dear, are you with us? Yeah, it's a practicing. That's why the way he answers questions, the way he analyzes and reasons, his contributions and comments and suggestions, they are all of a